Niaje tena wadau na wadaulet. Teqcher Fly tena hapa. Nimetokea tena na kahesabu. Manze na leo tunaangalia collinear points under vectors. Yani nataka kufunza what collinearity means. Ukiambiwa show that the points may be P, Q and R are collinear. What does it mean? We have this example. Inasema if vector OP is equals to 0, -4. Of course, it's being written as a column vector by now, unajua. Vector OQ is equals to 3, -2. And vector OR is equals to 9, 2. Show that the points P, Q, and R are collinear. Remember, when we hand write vectors, we must put arrows on top. So, ukiona nimesema vector OP, it is because there is an arrow on top. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Manze ni kuambia collinearity is very simple. Look at the solution. So, ukiambia show that the points P, Q, and R are collinear, all you do, just come and write P, Q, and R. Alafu, ukitaka kushow whether they are collinear, you simply look for PQ and look for QR. So you find the value of PQ and the value of QR. Hapo sawa? Therefore, you are making the middle point to be common. In our middle point here is point Q. It is common. Kama ingekuwa A, B, and C, we would have looked for AB and also BC, and then our common point is B, and then we look at the relationship between them. But in this case, tumeambiwa points P, Q, and R. Very simple, my friend. So PQ will be the same as OQ minus OP. Nikupe siri ingine. Ukiwa umepewa point OP na umepewa point OQ na unaulizwa utafute PQ, if you've been given OP and OQ na unaambiwa utafute PQ, all you do is say OQ minus OP, OQ minus OP, and you'll be able to find PQ. Therefore, OQ, my dear friends, is 3, -2, and OP is 0, -4. So it is OQ, which is 3, -2, minus OP, which is 0, -4. What will we get? Tutapata 3 minus 0. Tulisema za juu you subtract, and then pia za chini you subtract. Ya chini na ya chini, ya juu na ya juu. So -2 minus -4. -2 minus -4. And as you can see, the answer is 3 minus 0 is 3. -2 minus -4 will be -2 plus 4, which is the same as +2. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Therefore, let us move on and look for QR. Because we said we look for PQ and QR. Tushapata PQ already. So let's now look for QR. Again, QR will be simple. Given OQ and OR, when you are looking for QR, you will simply say OR, yani O na hii ya mbele minus O na hii ya nyuma. So OR minus OQ. Therefore, our OR is 9, 2, and our OQ is 3, -2, and we subtract because we are saying you subtract. As you can see, my dear friend, this will be 9 minus 3, ya juu na ya juu na ya chini na ya chini, alafu chini ni 2 minus -2. This will be the same as 6 because 9 minus 3 is 6, and then 2 minus -2 is the same as 4. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So we have PQ. As you can see, the answer for PQ was 3, 2. PQ was equivalent to 3, 2. And QR, tumepata sahi, QR is 6, 4. QR is 6, 4. Now we want to look at the relationship between PQ and QR. What can you see? As you can see, I want you to see this. If you can see clearly, QR is the same as 2PQ. If you can see clearly, QR is the same as 2PQ. PQ. Angalia makini. If I multiply 2 by the values of PQ, I will get the values of QR. Nikimultiply 3 2, nikiweka 2 hapa nje, so itakuwa 2 times 3 which is 6, 2 times 2 which is 4. Alternatively, you can also say or QR, or PQ is the same as a half of PQ is the same as a half of QR. Again, I hope you can see that if I multiply QR by a half, nikiweka a half hapa, so you can see a half times 6 4, what will you get? You will get 3 2. A half times 6 is 3, a half times 4 is 2. So a half of QR, which is 6 4, will give you 3 2, which is PQ. So this is what you'll be required to show, that QR is equals to 2PQ, or PQ is equals to a half QR with point Q as the common. You have to say these words, with point Q as the common point. Hence, P, Q, and R are collinear. So always lazima useme hizi maneno with point Q. Once you have shown this, QR is equals to 2PQ or PQ is equals to half QR, continue by saying with point Q as the common point. Hence, PQ and R are collinear. Remember, these points may change. Sometimes it could be A, B, and C. So again, make sure you know the common point. It will not always be PQ and R. Hapo sawa? Nice one. I hope umeelewa manze. See you in the next episode.